Hi guys, today I will create a macro that will hide and unhide a sparse range or a scattered range of columns. So let's begin. First of all, Alt F11, which is a shortcut to open macro code. So I have opened a blank Excel workbook, and now after press of Alt F11, this VBA screen comes. Right click, insert module, then the name of the module, hide sparse columns. Range, and then comma separated list of columns that I want to hide. Let's say I want to hide column B, column F, and column T. Dot entire column dot hidden is equal to true. So let's save it. Save it as macro enabled workbook. Now, in order to execute the macro, Alt F8, click on the name of the macro and run. So it has hidden column B, column F, and column T. Now, let's write another macro to unhide the columns that I have just here. Unhide. It will be the same formula, range, and then the range containing the columns that are hidden. Dot entire column dot hidden is equal to false. Now Alt F8, unhide, and the columns are now visible. Alt F8, hide. I hope you like this video. Please keep liking and subscribing my video, and I will share more similar videos on macro development in Excel. Thank you.